Welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. Go Hai Pachoy! I'm filming it today, January 31st. So for today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop my January sinking funds, which is I haven't do it yet and I haven't updated my binders yet. So I need to change the tracker, but I haven't do it yet. So for this month, I will allocate here our cash stuff here $2,000. This money is part of our January budget, but I haven't started putting the money yet. So let's count it first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,900, 2,000. So let's start. I just get my logo here. Okay, for emergency fund, there's a balance here in the bank of 3,950. I just make a mark here so that I know how much is in the bank. So I allocated here this month $100. Then for education, this is from last year, I think. Yeah, until December. I don't know how much. Let's see. So it's 700. I will not put it in the bank. I just leave it in here. And I allocated here 100 also. So total of 800. I will update the tracker later. For travel, this is local. Whatever we want to go to one island to another island or in Macau. So there's a bus fare or ferry fare that we can use. So I allocated here 100 as well. So for parent, for my mom and my mother-in-law, I allocated here $50 each. So let's see. So now they got, hold on, 1,000 each. Yeah, it's 1,000 each. Let's change this. Oh no. So half and half. Yeah, 1,000 each. So for Christmas, so this is empty. This is not no more. This is a new one. I allocated here 250. Yes, it's big because I need more. And for next one is for health binder. For health consultation or general vitamins or medicine, I allocated here $60. So far, we save here 1,340. So we'll make it 1,000. Sorry, 1,340. So I will make it into 1,400. Our savings fund it's a long term. I started having a sinking fund last May 2022, as far as I know, I think. So this is April 2022. I don't have sinking fund. This is no. So I started doing sinking fund on May 2022. Until now, I'm still doing the same. But there's some changes. There's some additional category and and I make it into 4 binders now. So for dental, I allocated here $30. So make it 40. So it's now 200. So for vision or eyeglass or ophthalmologies, I only have $100 left here, so I allocated also here 30. I hasn't reallocate my completed saving challenges yet because I want to do it first before the end, before February. I'm running out of time to film videos that I plan to film. Until this moment, my completed saving challenges is still intact. So, okay, let's continue. For beauty and self-care, I don't allocate anything here. It's 300. For haircut, I don't allocate anything here, but there's a deduction here of, I think, $80. My son need to get it from here because he already used his own money. Okay, next binder. For birthdays and family binder. So for the first one, it's for my birthday and my daughter's birthday. I allocated here $200 each. Yes, $200. Why? Because our birthday is coming on March. We have the same month. So I need budget so that we can celebrate it together. So far we have $550 each. So for my first daughter's birthday in May, they still have some left over here from last year, so it's 140. So I allocated here $60 to make it 900. Okay, 900 now. And for my son and husband's birthday, they have both each 150. They born on the same month, which is August. Same month and same day. So allocated here $50 each. Uh, so it's not 200 each. Oh, okay, let's put it like this. Okay, for my mom's birthday, I already gave her the money left here, and now I allocated here $50. So her birthday is on October. Okay. So for family fund, it's empty. I used it last Christmas and New Year. So let's restart. And for the start, I allocated here $50. For date and anniversaries, I have 500 here. So allocated here 50. And for holidays and festivities, it's empty also. This paper should not be here because it's empty. I already used all of the money saved here last holiday season, last Christmas, New Year. And I allocated here $50 as well. For gift, there's a 200 left here from last year. So I just keep it in here and allocated here $100. So for my best friends, how are you, Amiga V and Amiga J? It's been a while since we go out together. So for my amigas, I allocated here 50, so total of 600. I'm trying to call them, but we're all busy, so we just don't have time yet. Soon, maybe. I hope so. So for the low priority binder that I got here, only you can make it happen. So for household, $50. So I still have here 2005, 6, 2,630. So I allocated here $50 to make it 2,600, 500, 680. I think there's a mistake here. Anyway. And for tech or electronic gadgets, this month I allocated there $120. I know soon I will reach that goal. So for shopping, see, I haven't shopped clothes. Actually, this is for clothing or shoes or something, but we haven't used it yet because we didn't do shopping. We didn't do shopping before Christmas. That's why they still have $500 here. So for shopping, I allocated here $50. And for help or giving, I still have here 200, 300. So I allocated here 50. So let's change this. Okay. And last one, but not the least, is for hosting or visitors who tour here in Hong Kong, like our relatives, friends. So I have money that we have money that can cover for the cost if we want to entertain them, if we want to welcome them. So this is this money for. So I allocated here $50, so it's 450 now. I say it's not updated yet. It's not updated. All right then, it's the end of my cash tapping for sinking fund, but I want to let you know what's my update for my sinking fund. So from January 2024, as you can see, well, there's a blur because of the light. I started here as 22,910, and for December 2024, it's include the money that I saved for the 52 envelope challenge, this one. The total amount is 22,010. There's a change of I spend 900. So from January to December, there's a $900 less. So this is the end of my video, and thank you so much for being here. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Bye. Make saving a habit. God bless you all. Love ya. Bye.